The first thing we did was gathering our material. We got the blue water solution, and then we got the 20% stock solution. The first thing we did was to clean out the pipette with the blue water and the 20% stock solution. Then we proceeded to draw up the 20% stock solution without getting it into the bulb and covering it with our fingers. So this was Madison. Her initial amount was 9.71 and her final amount was 1.97, which gave us the volume of 7.74. We would multiply that by the 20% concentration and we would get the overall concentration would be 6.19%.
Eventually.
So we all repeated what Madison did. Up next was Michelle. Her initial volume was 7.12 milliliters. Her final volume was 6.91 milliliters. Her volume was 0.21 milliliters, and you multiply that by the 20% concentration, and the overall concentration was 0.17%.
The meniscus of a liquid is the curve seen at the top of a liquid in a container. This curve is caused by the surface tension of the liquid to the container. To get an accurate reading, the meniscus must be read at eye level. You can pick the glassware up to eye level or bend down.
Many months later.
Next was Alexcia. Her initial volume was 5.15 milliliters and her final was 1.11 milliliters, giving us a volume of 4.40 milliliters. Multiply that by 20% and the overall concentration was 3.52%.
One eternity later.
Next was Kinsey. Her initial volume was 8.51 milliliters and her final was 7.61 milliliters, giving us a volume of 0.90 milliliters. Multiply that by 20% concentration and we get 0.9% concentration.
In the dilution equation, it shows the initial concentration and initial volume equals the final concentration and final volume. The stock solution in an experiment is the solution with the concentration of the mixture being observed. The dilution is a liquid, usually distilled water, that is used to decrease the concentration of the stock solution and add volume. The stock solution in this experiment was a 2% sugar solution and the dilution was the distilled water that was dyed blue. When increasing the volume of the stock solution to a mixture, the concentration increases. Likewise, when increasing water or the dilution, the concentration will decrease but the volume will increase.
When cleaning, you must dump all solutions into the sink located on the side of your lab table. Rinse through with water and dry with paper towels. Once completed, you will wipe down your lab table and you're done.
I guess we can just do water and paper.